Hello guys, welcome back to Englitlan. I am your friend Mohammad Tahir Ishtiaq, admin of the Facebook group English Literature and Facebook page Englitlan. Guys, in this video we will discuss about the types of character. First we discuss the definition of character, who is called a character, then the types of characters. The first type of character is static or flat character. The second one is round character. Third is symbolic character. Fourth is farcical character. And the fifth and the last one is foil character. The definition of a character is that a character is any person, animal, or figure who performs some kind of role in a literary work. It is not necessary for a character that it must be a human being. It can be animal or some other thing that performs some kind of role in any literary work like drama, novel, poetry, etc. The first type of character is static or flat character. It is a character who does not change over the course of story. It means that if a person is a good being, then he will not turn into a bad being, and if he or she is a bad being, then he or she will not turn into a good being. Examples of static characters are Romeo Montague in Romeo and Juliet and Mr. Collins in Pride and Prejudice. They do not change over the course of story. The second type of character is round character. A round character is a character who undergoes changes over the course of a story. It means that he or she changes from a good being into a bad being or bad being into a good being. In Henrik Ibsen's A Doll's House, the character of Neil Krogstad is a round character who turns from a bad character into a good character. At the end of this drama, Neil Krogstad wrote an apology letter to Nora. Third type of character is symbolic character. A symbolic character represents some other person, concept, or theme larger than themselves. Examples of symbolic characters are found abundantly in George Orwell's novel Animal Farm. In Animal Farm, Napoleon represents Stalin, who was the dictator of Russia. Snowball represents Trotsky, and Old Major, who was a bore. It represents Karl Marx, the German philosopher. The fourth type of character is farcical character. It is highly exaggerated and shows a sudden change in his behavior and appearance. Best example of farcical character can be traced in Shakespeare's comedy Twelfth Night. In this comedy, the character of Malvolio is an example of farcical character who shows a sudden change in his behavior and appearance after receiving a pranked letter from Olivia's servant Maria. The fifth and the last type of character is foil character. A foil character is a character whose behavior and actions are contrasted with other characters, especially the main character or the protagonist. If we see at the play Hamlet, then Laertes acts as a foil to Hamlet. That's all, friends. Hope you like this video. Friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends as well.